Welcome to CodeBreeze, a code explanation tool that helps users understand snippets, improve readability, and learn programming concepts in a simpler way. The main app opens with the CodeBreeze brand in the top bar and navigation for explain, breakdown, history, and guide. A settings icon opens the Gemini API key panel. We are now on the explain screen. The heading says any code, plain English. The control card includes a language selector, an explanation level selector, a load example button, and an explain button. The language selector supports auto detect, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C++, C hashtag, Go, Rust, SQL, HTML by CSS, Shell, PHP, Ruby, Swift, and Kotlin. The workspace is split into two panels. On the left, the code input editor shows line numbers, syntax highlighting, and a teaser where the user pastes code. The load example button fills the editor with a sample for the selected language. On the right, the explanation output panel starts with an empty state saying, "Your explanation will appear here." When the user clicks explain, CodeBreeze checks that code is entered and that the Gemini API key is saved. If code is missing, it asks the user to paste code. If the key is missing, the key panel opens. While processing, the output says, translating code into plain English. The completed explanation shows what the code does, a summary, key concepts, as chips, a real-world analogy, potential issues, and complexity when relevant. The user can open the line-by-line breakdown, copy the explanation, or save it to history. The Gemini API key panel contains a password field, a Google AI Studio link, and a Save button. The user gets the key from Google AI Studio, pastes it here, and saves it. After saving, CodeBreeze confirms that the API key is saved. This enables code explanations through Gemini. The breakdown screen gives a line-by-line explanation. If no code has been explained yet, the code panel says, explain a code snippet first, and the explanation side says, the line-by-line breakdown will appear here. After an explanation exists, the left panel shows the code with line numbers and syntax colors. The right panel shows explanation cards grouped by line ranges. Hovering or clicking a group highlights the matching lines in the code, and hovering a line can scroll to the matching explanation group. This helps the user connect each section of code with its plain English meaning. The history screen stores recent explanations in the browser. The toolbar includes a search field, an export txt button, and a clear all button. Search filters by language, code, or explanation content. Each history card shows the detected language, timestamp, a code preview, a short purpose statement, key concept chips, and actions to load or delete. Loading an item returns it to the explain screen with the original code and explanation restored. Delete removes a single item, while clear all removes every saved explanation after confirmation. If nothing matches, the screen says, no saved explanations match. The guide screen explains how to use CodeBreeze. It includes cards for how to paste a focused snippet, which languages are supported, how to get better results, and privacy. The example code samples card includes a language selector and a code preview so the user can see what a good input looks like. The privacy card explains that saved history remains in the browser while code sent for explanation goes directly to Gemini using the user's key. This gives the user a clear expectation before sharing code. CodeBreeze helps users understand unfamiliar code quickly. It turns snippets into plain English explanations, breaks code down line by line, saves useful explanations, and gives beginners and experienced developers a faster way to learn what code is doing.